Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to see deleted voice memos on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So if you just record your voice on your voice memos on MacBook, but you just accidentally delete your voice memos, don't be panicked. You can recover it. You can check the voice memos over here. So first of all, of course, we have to open our voice memos on our MacBook. After that, as you can see in here, there's no option like to see or to check the deleted recordings, right? So you can, before that, you can just select in here the sidebar. You can select on that and you'll find there is an option, all recordings and recently deleted. If you click on that, so here's all the deleted voice memos on your MacBook. If you want to recover it, you can just choose on the voice memos that you want to recover. There is an option recover. You can just select on that. So if cover recording will be back on your all the recording in here. And if you want to recover all, you can just choose on here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your deleted voice memos on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.